Hi, Namaste. My name is Nima Lama. I have been a CEO, Chief Experience Officer with Gadventures since 2013. I'm also a trekking guide. I lead trek up to Everest Base Camp as well as many places like Annapurna, Langtang, Helambo. I'm from Helambo and I belong to the community called Sherpa. Sherpa is our surname. Like uh, Sherpa means the people are from the east. Like in the ancient time, centuries ago, our ancestor was migrated from the eastern part of the Tibet. Uh, that's why we are known as Sherpa. All right. Uh, and I would love to know about yourself as well. Please let me know in the comment. So let's begin. Today I'm going to show you how to make jalebi. Jalebi is a sweet which is loved by the all Nepalese people. Here you can see I already made for example. So let's start with the ingredient. What we need: 500 gram of white wheat flour and 100 milliliter of yogurt, 500 gram of sugar and 200 milliliter of ghee. It's a clarified butter, and half liter 500 milliliter of oil, cooking oil, any oil, like you can use vegetable oil or olive oil, any kind of oil. So let's begin. So first we have to make a dough. So I already prepared dough because it will save our time. Here you go. This looks like this. And how to make it, I will tell you. 500, put the dough, put the wheat flour and curd, yogurt, and after that 100 milliliter of water, and then mix it well. Mix it well, and then leave it for at least for half an hour or 1 hour. 1 hour would be the nice, but in half an hour also it will be ready. And we need sugar syrup as well, which is I already prepared. Here you can see. To make a sugar syrup, 200 milliliter of water and half kilo of 500 gram of sugar. You put it and then cook it. Cook it till it become a bit thicker. And oil, like here, oil, and then I put some ghee on it, and then we need one pouch. Like I use it oil pouch, like which is waste, but I use it to make to put the dough inside. So how we do? Like first from here we cut it and then make it bigger hole, and then small hole over here. So I will show you how to like what I'm going to do with this. All right, and this is my invention. Okay, Nepalese invention. Normally people use a cloth. So what we have to do? We have to put the dough inside here. Okay. All right. Okay. It's done. And then fold it like this. And then, right, I already turn on the stove. Make it all. You can make any kind of design, but I will start with the round one, the kind of flower like this. All right, it's done. The sweets is like it's a sweet. We use it like normally, occasionally at the Diwali time, but also we take it like when we visited to anybody's home, like friend's home or relative's home. So we don't visit to anybody's home with empty-handed. It's a bit like a bit uncomfortable. So mostly we'll bring sweets with us, and the jalebi is one of the best sweets, which is loved by the all Nepalese people, and my favorite as well. All right, let it turn over, and especially we use it in the Diwali. Diwali is the main festival, one of the main festival of Nepal, which is last for 5 days. We celebrate and then worship the goddess called Lakshmi. It's a Hindu festival, but celebrated by the other religions as well, which is like normally happen in October, September, October. There is not exactly the date because we are follow the Nepalese calendar, and the English calendar is a bit different. So there is no exact date. Sometimes it happen at the end of the September, or sometimes it happen in 1st of October. And it's a very beautiful festival. Maybe you heard about that, like it's a light festival. Turn it over frequently till it become an orange. A light festival, in that time, like what the people do, like they are cleaning their house, renovate their house, and then in exactly the day of Diwali, the people light the candle and diya. We call diya one, which is a oil lamp outside of the house. It looks very beautiful in that time. You should visit in that time. All right, look at here. It's done. It's almost. Looks orange. It's done, and then dip into the sugar syrup for at least for 30 seconds. There you go. Okay. There it is. It's done. Okay. Okay, let's go for the next round. I will make a different design. You can make any kind of design. Here you go. Let's go like this. Okay. In this time, I'm a trekker. I miss really trekking this time because of Corona. Like everybody is at home right now. I do normally the Everest Base Camp trek, but I do other parts as well, but mostly in the Everest Base Camp. And most of people have a bucket list, like they like to go to the Everest Base Camp when they visit to Nepal. It's really nice place and it's very beautiful. You should visit if you visit to Everest Base Camp. It's really nice. It takes about like 15 days up and down. 2 days, like 2 times you have to fly out and in to Lukla. And the 12 days you will be walking. And 2 acclimatization day, like 2 days you will be acclimatized. 1 day, which is in Namche Bazaar, which is very famous village, which is looks like a half collision, and then behind there is a white mountain. It's very beautiful village. There's a lot of things over there, like bars, like lots of shops, lots of restaurants, lots of hotels in the Namche Bazaar. This is one of the main town in this area, and beautiful town as well. Many people love that place. They wanted to stay more and more time to spend in the Namche Bazaar. And other one is like where we acclimatize. It's a Dingbuche. Dingbuche is also very nice place. It's located at 4,200 meters. It's quite high, and it is surrounded by it's a small valley, like a white valley, but it's surrounded by the Himalaya, like a white mountain. Very close. Yeah, you will see very close. One of the famous mountain called Amadabla. And in this trip, you have to reach maximum elevation is 5,300 64 meter. Most of people get altitude sickness in this altitude, but there is a very simple to avoid the altitude sickness. The first thing is, like from the beginning, from the beginning of the trek, you have to save your energy. You walk slowly and steady, and drink plenty of water, and eat plenty of food, which is and choose the more and more carbohydrate in your food, which is help you to give you energy. And Lukla, to fly to Lukla and fly out from the Lukla is also very exciting. Plane ride. It's really excited place. Lukla is a bit smaller than the Namche. Namche is very beautiful place than Lukla. Alright, look at this. I made the new design over here. There you go. Dip it for 30 seconds. And then it's done. Got it? There you go. Okay, I'll go for the next round again. If your pen is a bit bigger, then you can make 2 or 3 together. Like this. There you go. One is I'm going to make a red flower, and one is the longer one. There you go. There you go. Well, I'm from the Helombo, but right now I'm at Lumbini. It is my wife's village. It's a small village. I really love this village. It is also known as the birthplace of the Buddha. The Buddha who is get the enlightenment and who is founded the Buddhism. And like 623 BC, he was born in Lumbini, just nearby here. I'm just 10 kilometers away from that place. And in Nepal, like around 15% of people are follow the Buddhism. They practice the Buddhism. And if you visit to Nepal, this is also one of the places you should visit. It's a very beautiful place. Like, but in like a June, July, it's a bit hot. But in October, November is the perfect time to visit Lumbini. Nearby there is a nearby Lumbini there is a Chitwan also, which is famous for the jungle safari, and like it's a national park. It's a very famous national park all over the Nepal. Nepalese people are also visited here frequently. Well, you may be wondering what I hang over here. It's a Buddhist scarf. Like you can see the color over here, like a 2 different color. We call khada. We use this kind of scarf is to welcome to friends, like a welcome to anybody, or like to say goodbye. And we use this in birthday ceremony, any kind of ceremonies. Yeah. And there's meaning of this on this color as well. I have 2 colors right now. Normally we have 5 different colors. One is red, yellow, green, white, and blue. So red these are the 5 elements. These are the reds is fire, and yellow is earth, green is water, white is air, and blue is sky, spirit, or energy. You can when you visited to Lumbini or in Nepal especially, you will see this kind of flag everywhere. Like it is known as prayer flag, but this one is called khada. This is a scarf. We can buy in different color as well, but I found only 2 colors. All right, so this is done. There you go. Okay. Alright, this is done. Let me know in the comment how is the cooking class, your cooking class. And lastly, I'd like to thank you for cooking with me. And I like to say, stay connected, stay safe. And in this time, like many people are, like whole world is like threatened by the corona, but we can fight with that. Like stay home, stay safe. Namaste. See you. Bye bye.